This is an intro about me. This is Joshi. I'm based out of New York City and Chicago. We have a lot of lessons going on in New York City and Chicago for you, which you can join, which are aimed at absolute beginners. I have my team based out of New York City and a part of them in India. The thing that we provide here is a nice mix of on-site and online learning. Uh, in most of the classes that happens, it's like only online. There is no good tech support. What I bring to you is live hours with me as well as online and tech support 24/7, which I have implemented with my team located at different places of the world. Now, my course goes like this. I have an online passive course on Udemy. You're expected to go through that. Then you attend my session with me, and then you attend some debugging and questionnaire session with my team online through the Zoom recording. That's the structure of the course. A little bit about my background. I've been teaching Python for like last 9 years. I have seen the evolution of how in 2009 most of the financial analytics stuff would used to happen through like SQL and Oracle, and how right now we are using big data, Hadoop, and Python. So I'll take you through the whole evolution of how things went through. I worked at various banks and tech companies like Google, Deutsche Bank, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, mostly in the position of analytics developer. So I bring upon with me a lot of experience from these places and the evolution of all these technologies. My background is diverse. I have studied electrical engineering. That I did a master's in finance, and then I did an MBA in entrepreneurship, and then a master's in information tech, mostly focused on databases and big data. This is a very quick introduction about me. If you have any other question, feel free to write to me or text me, and I can get back to you very quickly. If you're in New York City, I take several free sessions through the meetup.com. You can attend these free sessions. They happen at various locations, including at a lot of Whole Foods. So that's about me. Thank you for connecting.